Hello, welcome to Fusion Cooking channel. Today we are going to make a very healthy brain development and bone strengthening and weight gaining baby food made with barley, full makhana and bunch of nuts. We'll start with barley. We are taking organic barley here, about half a cup. You have to wash the barley thoroughly because barley has a lot of starch. So you just want to get rid of it, and there may be some dirt also. So it's a good idea to wash it thoroughly, and we need to dry it, sieve out all the water and spread it in a cloth. Keep it in the room temperature, or you can keep under the sun as well. We are taking 1 cup of full makhana. This is already popped, and you need to roast this one until it gets crisp. When you press it, it becomes a powder. And full makhana is very rich in proteins, fiber, calcium, iron and omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. It helps with brain development, heart health, it detoxifies liver, and it's a very healthy food. Roasting 1/4 cup of almonds. It is rich in iron, calcium and potassium. It is also a very good source of protein. And cashews, they are having very healthy fats and protein as well. We are taking about 1/4 cup of pistachio as well. Pistachios are having similar nutrition profile as other nuts like cashews and almonds. Pumpkin seeds are very good source of protein, calcium and iron. They are helpful with bone health, heart health, immune system and antioxidants as well. They help with the skin and eye and hair health as well. Sunflower seeds are very good for heart, and they promote immunity also, and they have a lot of B vitamins and iron and manganese as well. Roast half a cup of barley. We already processed this, washed this. Barley is a super grain. It is high in protein, iron and zinc. It has 54% daily value of selenium. It is also a very good source of fiber. It is very healthy. Mix all the nuts and barley and keep them aside. Let them completely cool down. Many people grind them a little too early when they are hot. It can turn into a mushy paste, so it is very important that we cool it down fully. We are now adding the roasted full makhana to the mix. All of them are fully cooled down. Maybe you want to do in smaller batches. This is saffron and elaichi. They are optional. Do it in small batches and use pulse mode to get a nice powder. If it is required, you can sieve this and take out all bigger chunks and grind it one more time. But if you process it right, mostly you will get it like this, a nice powder. Grind rest of the cooled down mix into a fine powder. This is called brain development powder because it has rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids and other fatty acids which are good for brain development. And they also have a lot of protein and calcium which can help develop the bones. And it has a bunch of minerals like calcium, zinc, potassium, manganese and selenium. This can be stored in room temperature for a month and in fridge up to 3 months. We are taking 2 tablespoons of this powder. Add a little bit of water to dilute. You can take a cup of plain water if the baby is younger than 1 year. But if the baby is older than 1 year, you can use regular cow milk we are taking organic milk here. After the milk is warmed up a little bit, you can add the powder mix to the milk and cook it on medium flame. It will thicken slowly, and in about 10-15 minutes it will get cooked. This can be given as a breakfast for 8 months plus babies, or it can be given as lunch as well. It will make a nice breakfast for adults as well. You can add 2 tablespoons of jaggery or a little bit of sugar or mashed dates for sweetener, depending on your taste. Please add jaggery only after turning off the stove. Soon it will get thickened up and it will become really nice, thick and tasty. Please hit like button below. Share your comments or questions in the comment section, and forget not to subscribe to our channel. You can add the garnishments, crushed dates or nuts on top of it for bigger kids and for adults. If you like this video, please share it with your friends or share it on your Facebook page. Thank you very much. Bye.